welcome to MX Breakz on MX24 TV. My name is Ajwa from Poma. Let's get straight into our stories for today, and we're starting with Shatta Wale, who says that he does not mind standing in for Ablekuma South constituency in the upcoming 2028 elections. And I'm excited about this, okay? Because, hey, I mean, we've seen people in the industry who are in parliamentary seats right now who are doing extremely well. And I know for sure that Shatta Wale is going to do extremely well should he win, in case he stands. Let's take a look.
Kolegono, yes.
Kolegono should be Ablekuma South.
Ablekuma South, yeah.
Ablekuma South. Yeah. It is Ablekuma South for Ton Safra Obeko. Say, Shatta, we've seen your passion for development. We want you to represent us. You would heed that call.
Most definitely, but I don't want to, belong to any political party.
Oh, of course.
Yes, I mean, yes. Yeah. I want to be.
So independent.
Yes, I want to be myself because I've been telling people recently. I say we are tired of the 1992 laws and constitutions. Yes, I mean we need to grow up from where we are. Other countries are growing. We sat down for some years when I was going. I didn't know Dubai, but all of a sudden Dubai.
Yeah.
And I was asking, how did they create this thing? I believe some 10, 15 years, 20 years, and they just got this thing. So I think if I would have to go into a constituency, they should really understand that we also have, policies that we want to, implement into the system, and that is what is going to work. But for now, I just think, let me just be my humble self.
But 2028, you're 3 years from now.
Exactly.
Say Ablekuma South for Emma call, they're very loud. Shatta, we need you now to represent us. 2028, you would consider, right?
I would. Why not? Because I love Ghana so much that sometimes we catch them saying I want to say,
how are you doing?
Because me spend this car. Because I see if I'm in Ghana, I live normal. But because the way I would see, sometimes people don't even know me at where I'm staying. But because I mean, yeah, rent Rolls Royce, yeah, leave. Sometimes you come because I don't be near. Yeah, because I feel it's so expensive when people are even thinking of going out there. So, and I always tell people, Ghana is the best place to live. And you see, when you are, your mindset is tuned to success. Your mindset is tuned to generational wealth. Your mindset is tuned to, the people that you really care about. You can build something, and that is what I've been able to build.
Yeah.